Okay. ¿Cuántas? This guy's funny.
¿De veras?
Hola a todos, bienvenidos a otro video. Today I am here and I'm going to take Duolingo's Spanish placement test and see if I can ace it, if I can get 100%. Now, I've been teaching Spanish for the past 3 years now, and I've been learning it for the past 7. So we're gonna see if I can do well on this test. I sure hope so. Si te gustó el video, por favor, dale like y también suscríbete ya para que veas más videos chidos así como este. Also, if you'd like to learn Spanish with me, you can check out my website, SpanishWithNate.com, where I teach you how to learn beautiful Spanish just like I have been able to do. Alright, vámonos. Alrighty, okay, so here we are, Duolingo's placement test, and we're going to see. It says it takes about 5 minutes. Gets harder, easier based on your answers. I don't have a Spanish keyboard on this computer, so it's going to be important that I make sure I get the accents correct and everything. All right, so, la niña. Okay, so we're starting off easy here, so the girl. All right, well, let me turn the sound on. Alrighty. Okay, la niña. Okay, a green jacket. Una chaqueta verde. All right, cool. Remember, in Spanish, it's not una verde chaqueta, una chaqueta verde. And the thing is, actually, it's quite easy to remember, is as long as you know una or un, right, then just put the object afterwards, not the adjective, which in this case would be verde. Okay, una chaqueta, una casa, un microondas, things like that. All right, cool. No, I don't need a pen. No necesito un bolígrafo. Oops. Yes. Oh my goodness. Wait, 3 for 3, 4 for 4. Oh, thank you very much.
El señor Pérez tiene un celular.
Okay, Mr. Perez has a cell phone. You betcha, he sure does.
Tengo un escritorio muy pequeño.
I have a very small desk. Yes. I'm actually trying not to go too fast because I don't want to make like a silly error. I'm like, why? All right, cool, doing well.
El hospital está cerca del parque.
Okay, the hospital is near the park. All right, beautiful, nice. All right, I think that Carmen is very pretty. Creo que Carmen es muy bonita. I like this girl. She's got attitude, you know. Carmen is muy bonita. All right. Nice. Cool. How many refrigerators are in the kitchen? Okay. ¿Cuántas? This guy's funny.
¿De veras? Hay en la cocina.
¿Cuántas neveras hay en la cocina? Cool. This word, I, right? H-A-Y, not hey. I is actually a really good one to know. I means there is or there are. Really good one. There is, there are. All right. Now I'll be able to skip some beginner content. Uh-oh. My boyfriend is very good looking. Oh, okay. Mi novio es muy guapo. Nice. I'm sorry, I don't know you. Lo siento. No te conozco. Great. I don't know you well. Yo no te conozco bien. I think it's funny how they have all the different voices. It's actually pretty fun.
Yo no sé la edad de mis abuelos.
This girl is hilarious. Okay. I don't know the age of my grandparents. Nice.
Yo llevo las bolsas a la cocina.
Oh, okay, now we're starting to get a little more advanced. These are some little harder ones. But yeah, we're halfway through. Not doing too bad. Okay, let's hear what he said again.
Yo llevo las bolsas a la cocina.
Yo llevo las bolsas a la cocina. Take the bags to the kitchen. All right. They aren't going to travel next January. Ellas no van a viajar el próximo enero. Nice, okay. If you want to say next, like next year, next week, whatever, next January, in this case, it would be el próximo. So, el próximo enero. You could say la próxima semana. Notice how it changes próximo to próxima depending on the gender. You can also say siguiente, which would mean following. So, la semana siguiente, and so on. All right. They need to brush their hair. Ellos necesitan cepillarse el cabello. Nice. So reflexive verbs can be quite difficult at first for people. They're actually quite simple though. Reflexive verbs are just verbs that people do to themselves. So for example, cepillarse. Okay, so that's a reflexive verb, right? Meaning to brush. So you do that to yourself, right? They are doing that to themselves, therefore it's reflexive.
¿Qué planes tienes para mañana?
¿Qué planes tienes para mañana? Nice. Also note that it's not planes, right? It's planes, meaning plans. All right, so plan in Spanish is exactly the same as it is in English. I wear these skirts because Carla doesn't need them. Yo uso
estas faldas porque Carla no las necesita.
Oh yeah. Okay, so in this example right here, when we're saying need them, notice how las necesita. Las is representing las faldas, the skirts. This is what we call a direct object pronoun in Spanish. They're really, really important to understand, okay? So when I see Carla no las necesita, that means she doesn't need them. What are them? The skirts. Therefore, we use las. Okay, papá.
Papá,
Okay, siéntate
siéntate aquí,
por
favor.
All right, so this, we haven't checked my answer yet. However, this might say siéntese, okay? Now, typically we use siéntese, right, when we're speaking to someone formally. Okay, so this is someone that's older than us, someone we don't know, a stranger, a boss, whatever, okay? Now, the reason I put siéntate is because, yes, although our father is older, and sometimes we definitely can refer to our parents using the formal command, siéntate. This is informal, right? It's our dad. We know him. He's our dad, right? So we can use the tu form, all right? So a lot of times if I'll, practice Spanish with my parents and I want to speak with them, I'll use this informal command, right? A lot of my Spanish speaking friends as well. All right. Okay, cool. I am giving him 70 pesos. Yo le doy 70 pesos. Okay, cool. So in this sentence, le is an indirect object pronoun. What does that mean? It means it's representing him, okay, the word him. All right, really good to know. All right, where is the nearest restaurant? ¿Dónde está el restaurante más cercano? All right. Nice. All right, we're doing well. Who did you travel with, Manuel? ¿Con quién viajaste? Manuel. Okay, awesome. We took tickets for the concerts. Cogimos. Okay. Cogimos las entradas para el concierto. Okay, now the verb coger has a different meaning in Latin America than it does in Spain. So that's all I'm going to say. Just make sure that if you're in Latin America, try not to use that verb because it can be a profanity in Latin America. All right. I can't forget the money. No puedo olvidar el dinero. Nice.
Los autobuses aquí hacen mucho ruido.
Okay, the buses here make a lot of noise. Nice. They usually get together at 10. Ellos usualmente quedan
a las 10.
They usually get together at 10. Quedan a las 10. Oh my gosh, my hand is shaking. This thing is so heavy. Okay, cool. I think that's it. Let's take a look. Oh yeah. Also, I'm going to try not to really edit this video just so you can see that I actually did get 100% on this. I don't even know if it says that I got 100%. Let's see. Continue. Test complete. You unlock 25% of Spanish cards. Equip for free. Okay. Alright, so I haven't created a profile yet. But there you have it. There is Duolingo's placement Spanish exam. I aced it. I got 100%. I actually wasn't sure. I'm gonna set this down. I wasn't sure if I was gonna ace that or not. Just because sometimes there's like a little tricky, phrases or words, or they'll try to trick you. But that actually wasn't too bad. I actually did complete Duolingo's curriculum a few years ago when I was in high school and I was still learning Spanish. I would go through Duolingo, and a lot of times I would test out of certain lessons. But there you have it, right? There you have it. I actually do know what I'm talking about, and you saw it right there real time. Thanks again for watching this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and also, if you'd like to learn Spanish with me, check out my website, SpanishWithNate.com. Adios.